Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get unlimited emails, either for you affiliate marketing, or anything you want to use it for. There are 4 steps in this video. The first step is to search recruiting.net. After that, click on country and select all countries you can use any job, but I will be using music fan today. The second step is to click on Find the Right People on LinkedIn. After that, click on Open on Google. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Let's continue. Click on the search button to edit the search term. Beside the in-title in the search button, put code@gmail.com code. And search again. And you can now see some email on the screen, and remember to change the screen setting to desktop screen or desktop site. The third step is to select all and copy, and if you are using a laptop or computer, you can use Ctrl+A to select all and Ctrl+V to copy. The last step is to search for light14.us. After searching, click on the first site on the first page. If you are enjoying this video, like the video. After that, paste the text in the email extractor, and then click New Line and click on Extract. It will extract all the emails. That is amazing. After that, repeat the method on the second page and select all and copy and also extract. After that, you can start sending mail. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share.